So hey guys, this video gonna be again a versus battle video between Tanjiro from Demon Slayer and Shinichi from Parasite the Maxim. Both are too strong and smart. They defeated many strong enemy in their universes whose were more stronger than them. Both are never lose any battle and always win. Tanjiro is a swordman and Shinichi has a power of parasite like a demon. But what happened if they suddenly start fight each other, and who will win this battle? So without wasting any time, let's begin. Let's start with Tanjiro. So Tanjiro was a normal boy who lived in Icy Hill with his family. One day he went to work and came back next day. He saw a most powerful demon killed his whole family and turned his little sister Nezuko into a demon. After that he started a very hard training for revenge of his family and also wanted to turn back his little sister into human again. In the beginning, he was weak and also failed many times in his training, but he promised his little sister to become most powerful demon slayer and will kill that demon and bring her to back human. So Tanjiro defeated many different and strong demons whose had regeneration ability and also they were stronger than him. Let's talk about his powers and abilities. Tanjiro has a primary or natural skill and that is smelling. He can tell anything about you just by smell you. This skill completely insane. He can tell what are you, human or demon, what are you thinking, what is your feeling, literally anything. He can smell from long distance. Now talk about his powers. He is a swordman. He fights with a sword. He uses his sword with very nice way. He has a top 10 water breathing technique whose are very strong and different to each other. He also has a flame breathing technique who is too much stronger than all his water breathing techniques. With flame breathing technique, he can cut any hard thing. He has a full concentration technique. With this technique, he can enhance his powers and abilities. He can use his full concentration technique whole day and night, even when he sleeps. He has a good strength, superhuman speed, agility, stamina. He also has a good durability by his training. He has a good senses and reflexes. He can dodge short range attacks. Also he can easily survive in low oxygen places. Let's talk about his feet. Tanjiro cut a huge rock with a normal sword and without using any breathing techniques. So think how much he is strong. He is a smart and also always try to understand situation and his enemy's powers and weakness. He was too near to defeat a very strong demon whose body was too much hard and he cut anything with his spider web. Now let's talk about his weakness. He has a no weakness. He just don't have regeneration ability like demons. We talked too much about Tanjiro. Let's move on his opponent. So Shinichi was a normal high school boy who wore power glasses and very simple just like me. Anyways, one night a parasite attacked on him and tried ate his brain and control his body. But Shinichi stopped him in his right arm, so the parasite ate his right arm and lived on his right arm. After that, Shinichi and the parasite become friends and Shinichi named him Migi. So that's how Shinichi became a superhuman and gained the ability of parasite. In the beginning, Shinichi was so afraid by parasites, but slowly his personality completely changed. He became smart and badass. He defeated many strong enemies with different ways. Let's talk about his powers and abilities. So Shinichi's whole powers and abilities depend on his parasite friend. So Shinichi has a superhuman strength, speed, agility, stamina. Also he has a good senses and reflexes and his body is more durable than other ordinary human body and he can dodge short range attacks. Now talk about his parasite friend Migi's powers. So Migi has a shape-shifting ability. He can change his body into different type of blades and weapon. Also he can divide himself in many parts. He is very fast and smart. He learned Japanese and driving in one day. He enhanced Shinichi's vision. Before merging with Migi, Shinichi needs power glasses. Also, Migi can separate himself with Shinichi and again remerge with Shinichi. Migi also have healing ability. He can heal himself and his partner, but it's not like regeneration. Let's talk about Shinichi's feat. He stopped easily a moving car by his right arm. He killed a parasite with a rock from 300 meters away. And his target was completely perfect. He defeated most powerful parasite with his intelligence and help of Migi. So think how much Shinichi can fight with his opponent. Now let's talk about his weakness. So Shinichi has a no weakness, but Migi has. Migi cannot handle fire because he made up with living cells. And also he feels discomfortable in water too. And one more important thing, if Shinichi die, so Migi will also die. Now time to take decision who will win this fight. Both are awesome and badass and never lose. One more important thing, Shinichi is not virgin. Oops, my bad, forget about this. If they start fight, their fight will be completely awesome and will last long. But at the end, Tanjiro will win because his flame breathing technique, it can cut any hard thing, and also Migi cannot handle fire. So if you enjoy the any part of this video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and give me your opinion in comments, and I will meet you in next video. Sayonara.